How to apply real-time weather effects on latest Android 16 version. So if you have any Google Pixel device or any other device running the Android 16 version, you can apply the weather effect. Like in my lock screen, here you can see the rain effects. When we unlock my phone, you can see the snow effect on the home screen wallpaper. So you can easily apply this lock screen and home screen weather effect on your Android 16 devices. So first of all, tap and hold the blank space on the home screen. Now tap on a wallpaper and style at the top. Now here swipe up or you swipe up or tap on the more wallpapers option. So tap on the more wallpapers. Here you can see the live effects in the wallpaper studio. So tap on the live effects. Now select the any photo you want to apply the real-time weather effects on your location or a default available weather effects. So here we select the photo, like we select this photo on my phone. Now here you can see the shape option, weather option and a cinematic option, 3D cinematic video option. So first you can select the shape you want to set on your lock screen. So here we select this. You can also change the background color like this on your phone. Also increase or decrease the brightness color of the background brightness like this on your device. So we set this option. Now tap on the weather option to apply the weather effect like a rain, snow, fog, sun. If you want to set the real time weather effect, select the local option. So it will depend on your location. So if select the fog option to apply the fog effect. You can also increase it like this, also decrease the effect. So select the fog effect. Now rain. Here you can see the rain effect on your wallpaper. Increase the rain like this if you want. You can also slow down the rain effect. So increase or decrease the rain effect like this on your device. Tap on a snow button to select the snow effect on the wallpaper on home screen lock screen. You can increase or decrease the snow effect like this on your device. Now the last option is the sun option. It will glow your image or wallpaper you set. Increase or decrease the sun glow effect on your device. So select the any weather effect you want to apply. So here we select the rain effect, snow effect on my device, also like a medium on my phone. Now tap on the top right corner icon. Now here you can see how it looks on your home screen and the lock screen. Now tap on the next button at the top right corner. Select tick mark the box. So here we select the only home screen option. Now tap on apply button. And wallpaper set successfully. Now here you can see the how apply the snow effect to the on my Android 16 version. So it's quite easy. When we lock my phone, you can see the rain effect, and when we unlock my phone, you can see the snow effect on my Android 16 devices. So it's quite easy to add different effect, weather effect on your wallpaper on picture devices running the Android 16 version. That's it. If you like it, share it. Also hype it if you like this new feature. Thanks for watching this video.